Hello all dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. And guys, in this session I'll be taking the complete mock test for the BARC technical officer. The complete means all subjects will be covered here including mathematics. Okay, all subjects including mathematics. And guys, as you know that the BARC technical officer will be of 50 questions, so I'll be taking 50 questions. Okay, and in actual exam they will be allotting you 60 minutes. Okay, so for 50 questions 60 minutes, that means for every question you will be getting little over than 1 minute, and that itself means that the concepts will not be asked as deep as in GATE, because in GATE for one question they give 3 minutes, but for here one question approximately a little more than 1 minute. That means the question will be relatively easier than the GATE level. And as I am saying from many days, that the difference between this and other exams which again take the one question in 1 minute, like HPCL, BHEL, State Service Examination, Engineering Service Prelims, that on those exams there are little or 30% or 20% database questions also, but in BARC there will be no database question. Most of the questions will be, not all, of course few subjects like building material, I'm not talking of them, but apart from that all subjects will be coming from the concept. Okay, not as deep as GATE, but they will be asked. Now guys, virtual calculator will be allowed. Virtual calculator will be allowed in the exam. And as the syllabus is not exactly mentioned till now, but guys, the OCS and DGS entry na, in the March April month the BARC takes its exam na, for the scientist officer. In there is 100 questions there for OCS and DGFS entry. Okay, OCS and DGFS entry, it takes 100 question there. Let me take a different marker then. It takes 100 question there, and the time there is 2 hours. The time there is 2 hours. Here it is exactly half, 50 questions and 60 minutes. And there also the marking is +3 and -1. And here also the marking is +3 -1. So what I can interfere, as the syllabus is not given, that the syllabus, the level of question will be same, because there in OCS and DGS entry it is 100 question in 2 hours. Here it is 50 question in 60 minutes. So exactly half. 100 question reduced to half, 50 question, 2 are reduced to 60 minutes. So syllabus and level of question will be same. And there also the maths is asked. So few questions I have taken from the maths as well. Okay, this is about me, guys. If some of you are not knowing me, let me introduce myself. My name is Abhinav Negi. I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi. Okay, I got All India rank 164. You have to score better rank than this. And this is my Telegram. This is my mail ID, and this is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay, already guys, more than 5,400 students have already joined this family. So you can also join, where you'll get all the PDFs, content and everything. Civil by Abhinav Sir. Now guys, whatever video I'll be taking, like this video I'll be taking today. Okay, this is today 8:30 p.m. the highway engineering PYQ. This I'll be, you can join here also guys, today at 8:30 p.m. in this channel only, the highway PYQs. So guys, every video of mine, even this video, any recorded video, any video of mine, whether technical, whether non-technical, whether job notification, you'll be finding a link here like this. You'll be finding a link here. With this link guys, you can download the question papers, notes, every subject's technical, non-technical, for free of cost. From this link guys, you'll be going to download the BYJU'S exam prep app, where you will be having all these things, question paper, notes for free. Shall we begin the test guys now? Yes. Happy Diwali to all of you guys, and happy Children's Day as well. Okay, happy Diwali guys, happy BYJU'S. Okay, happy Children's Day. Be happy guys. Be happy. Okay, happy BYJU'S as well. Be happy. The total meaning is that be happy. Okay, let me pick. This marking is not going well today, na? This marking is not going that much well. Let me take today different marker. Okay, come on everyone. Guys, which of the following cement is used for mass concrete work? You are making a tall building, a huge structure. Okay, then which of the following is used? Guys, we will be using here low heat cement. What is the specialty? Because otherwise, if I am just taking low heat cement, then you can see the PDF only. Here guys, the quantity of C2S is more and the quantity of C3S and C3A. Okay, C3S and C3A are reduced. Okay, and how we can do this? How we can increase this and decrease this? We can do this by restricting calcium, restricting the calcium in our mix, okay, and increasing silicates. Okay, we can do this. And guys, initial setting time of this is 1 hour. Initial setting time of this type of cement, initial setting time is around 1 hour, and wherever there is mass or huge structures are building, then low heat cement is used. Okay, okay, you can just write 1A, 2B, 1C. Good morning guys. Let us move to the second question, guys. Low heat cement contains low percentage of which of the following? I just told. Okay, low heat cement is formed by increasing C2S and decreasing C3S and decreasing C3A. Yes or no? Okay, so C3A, decreasing C3A. Okay, C3S is also there, but C3S is not there. This is C2S. Okay, so the best option is A. Now, specific surface is purely database question. Specific surface of a Portland cement should not be less than, otherwise it will be very fine and the proper strength will not be gained once it's set. Tell me, the specific surface of Portland cement should not be less than 2250 centimeter square per gram. Now, loss of ignition in Portland cement should not be less than, again a database question, nothing much concept here, this building material. Once we'll go to the questions of soil mechanics survey, hydrology, irrigation, hydrology, then more conceptual questions will be asked. Okay, it will be loss on irrigation in Portland cement should not be less than 4%. Which of the following is correct order in decreasing order of heat of hydration? Decreasing order, which has the highest, then least, then least. Okay, the highest among all the components C3A, then C3S, and C2S is the least. So D is the best option. Okay, which one of the following cement has maximum percentage of C3S? Which of the following has maximum percentage of, that is rapid hardening cement? It has more than 55% of C3S is present in rapid hardening cement. Okay, now it was noted then, yeah, come on, hit this. Now you will require calculator. In exam, guys, the virtual calculator will be given. In exam, the virtual calculator will be given, guys. Come on everyone. Hit the questions hard. Hit the questions hard, guys. Come on, everyone on the comment section. Okay, the capacity is asked. The capacity is asked. Come on. Come on. It was noted that on a section of a road, the free speed is 80 km per hour. VF is 80 km per hour and the density is 70 vehicles per kilometer. The maximum flow. They are asking Qmax. So Qmax is VF into kj by 4. In fact, guys, this is the jam density. So this should be kj. So 80 into 70. This is kilometer per hour and this vehicle per kilometer. Kilometer per hour and this is vehicle per kilometer. So this will be vehicle per hour remaining by 4. So 20 into 17. 20 into 8, 20 into 17 is 14. 56 by 4. 56 by 4 is 1400 vehicle per hour. 1400 vehicle per hour. Everybody got B option for the 7th? Yes, learner. Yes, Sagar. Good, good. Neeraj, Shailaja. Great, guys. Okay, so again, let me tell you guys. Let me make this thing very clear because hundreds of students have mailed me this on my mail ID. Let me tell you guys, the entry in BARC through the gate or which take its own exam, OCS and DGFS, and here the BARC technical officer is of same scale, same status, same post. That is also a level 10 job. Level 10 job means class 1 officer, and here also it is a level 10 job. Same. The only difference is there you will get a more training, and here the training will be during the job only. Of course, the promotional status, the job, the occupation, the designation, the chances of promotion are exactly same. And there also there are 100 questions for 2 hours, and here exactly half 50 questions for 1 hour. So level will also be same. There the syllabus is the technical plus the mathematics. Here also it will be same. Okay, virtual calculator will be allowed. Now, optimum cycle length by Webster method. I hope you know this formula. Question number 8. Total we have to go for the 50 questions, guys. This is question number 8. This is question number 8. Everyone, question number 8. What is the optimum cycle length? Guys, optimum cycle length is 1.5 lost time plus 5 upon 1 minus capital Y. Now, what is this capital Y? Capital Y is Y1 plus Y2. What is Y1 plus Y2? The discharge, the flow rate there upon the saturation, 1600. This is Y1. Okay, the volume there upon the peak. So this is 800 by 1600, it is 0.5. Now putting it there. So 1.5 into lost time. What is the lost time? 16 seconds. The total lost time per signal time is 16 seconds. 1.5 into 16 plus 5 upon 1 minus 0.5. Okay, so this is how much? 16 into 1.5. 16 into 1.5. 16 are 29. 29 divided by 0.5. That is 58 second cycle length. That means if you are in a particular road, it is green light and you are not going, you are like this as it is, then again the green light, the complete cycle will be after 58 seconds. The complete cycle will be after 58 seconds. Give me yes or no. Yes, Dinesh. Yes, Neeraj. Okay, guys, should I increase my speed or it's fine? Should I increase my speed or it's fine? Come on, everyone. Tell me. Got it? Okay. 9th question. When two roads, 2 lane and 2-way traffic. 2 roads, 2 lane and 2-way traffic. Then what are the major conflicts and what are the minor conflicts? I'll take some session on what is the major and what is the minor. Actually, let me tell you the logic. When the angle between the two velocities are more, then it is major. More doesn't mean 90, even a 60 degree can be major. And when angle between the two is lesser, it is minor. Guys, I'm again saying that major doesn't mean only 90. That whatever the thing I'm telling you right now, I'm sure that 90% students will not be knowing the difference of major and minor. Major means relative velocity is more. Suppose this is going with 1 km per hour, this is going with 1 km per hour. Both are 1 km per hour and hitting like this. So what is the net speed? Relative speed, one this. So relative speed is 2. So less accident. If it is going with 1, so it is going with 30, it is going with 70. So what is the relative speed? 100? That will be major. Of course, here in our highway, we will not take 1 or will not take 1, will not take 30 or will not take 70 because we will be working on design speed. So there the velocity will be same. It is not like 1 and 1 or 30 and 70. Otherwise, the same kind of thing can be minor. If there is moving with 0.1, this is also moving with 0.1. So relative velocity is 0.2. So they are not hitting, they are kissing. They are kissing in that case. Okay. So of course we don't differentiate on terms of velocity. We take all velocity same. We differentiate on angle. And guys, I'll tell you mathematically, algebraically, I'll tell you that when the angle is more, the relative velocity is more. I'll tell you in a different session. And angle mode doesn't mean only 90, even 80 degree, 70 degree can be measured. Okay, like this it is going. Okay, and even it can do like this and this and many like this. So there are total 24 conflicts, out of which 16 are major, 16 are major and 8 are minor. Total how much? 24 for this case, when 2-lane road and 2-way. So the major is 16. Give me yes or no. Yes, excellent Dinesh. Have you got the concept, guys? Okay, okay, okay. The minimum self-cleansing velocity environment question. The minimum self-cleansing velocity is how much? Okay, guys, a particle should be removed. The minimum should be 0.45 meter per second. And what is the average or mean speed? Average is 0.9. Average is 0.9. So there was minimum, so it is near about 0.5. The maximum velocity in a sieve of diameter d will be obtained when depth of flow is equal to, guys, suppose this is a sieve. The diameter is d. Of course, the maximum velocity is not coming when it is full. When it is full, the maximum velocity is not coming. So when it is partially full, it is maximum velocity. What is that value? What is that value of this small d at which the maximum velocity is there? Everyone. It is 0.81 d. When d is 0.81 or exact point this, then it is the maximum velocity. And at the time when it is full, compared to this time, when it is partially full, velocity is 12.5% greater. The velocity is 12.5% greater at d is equal to 0.81 d comparing when running full. Okay, got it, everyone? And guys, can you tell me when maximum discharge? Question 11 dash. When at what depth Q is max? Anyone on the comment box? When it is Q max, guys, keep sharing and like the session, guys. Everyone. When it is the maximum discharge 0.95 d. 0.95. Tell me. Okay, at that time 0.85, 0.95 d, it is the maximum. It is 7% more than when it is running full. That time it is 7% more when running full. Okay, let us move to question number 12. In a separate CV system, the most suitable section is, tell me, everyone, what is the most suitable section? Guys, the most suitable section is circular. Can you tell me the reason? Couple of reasons, can you tell me? Why it is circular? Not egg shape. Circular we adopt. Uniform curvature. Okay. Uniform curvature, it is turning with a constant curvature. As it is uniform curvature, no sudden change in elliptical egg shape and rectangular especially. It is sudden change here. Okay, less deposits. The silts, the waste material will be less deposit. Okay, what are the other things? And more area for a given parameter. Okay. Yes, economical. 13th. Yeah, maths is also coming, guys. Maths is coming. Hit it. Let me check who can do this. A, B, C, D is equal to I. A, B, C, D is equal to I. What is B inverse? So if I multiply this with D inverse into C inverse, And again here also I have to do the same. Here also I have to do the same. A, B, C, D, D inverse, C inverse. So here it will be AB is equal to I into D inverse into C inverse. So AB is equal to D inverse, C inverse. Now what I have to do? I have to go for B inverse. No. I have to go for the B inverse. So I have multiply A inverse here and multiply A inverse here. So it will be B is equal to A inverse, D inverse, C inverse. Now I have to go B inverse. So B inverse is asked. So inverse of this A inverse, D inverse, C inverse, ka inverse. So this is C, D, A. That is B option. Got it? Got it, guys? Everyone guys, come on, give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Have you understood? Great style. Ronin, kiska style bhai? Kiska style? Guys, I'm again telling you, if you download such more beautiful PYQs of GATE and everything, notes, all technical subjects notes, the syllabus of GATE and ESE, okay, every PYQ of ISRO BARC, then guys, you can download this. There is a link in every. This is my class at 8:30 p.m. today. This is my class at 8:30 p.m. today. Not this class, every class of mine. In the description box, there will be a link. You can click this and download our app for free of cost, where everything is mentioned. And let us see again at highway old PYQs today at 8:30 p.m. Okay, now 14th. Okay. Do this. Do this. The probability that a thermostat randomly picked up from a production unit is defective is 0.1. Okay, so probability of defective is 0.1. So probability of not defective is 0.9. Okay, out of 10, 3 are defective. Out of 10 trials, 3 are defective. 3 are defective. So number of trials are n and 3 are defective. So out of n terms, what is the probability that 3 times it will be defective? It is 10C3. Okay, 3 times it should be defective. So 0.1 ki power 3 and 7 times it should not be defective. So 0.9 ki power 7. From where this formula comes? Okay, 3 times it should be defective na? Let me say first 3 times it is defective. So first it is defective, second also defective, third is defective, fourth 3 times only defective na? Fourth non-defective, fifth non-defective, sixth non-defective, seventh non-defective, eighth non-defective, ninth non-defective, 10th non-defective. This is the probability of one such case. But 3 defectives can be here, one can be here, one can be here, one can be here, one here, two here, one here, two here, one here. So this is 0.1 ki power 3 and 0.9 ki power 7. The probability of one such case. And how many such cases? 10C3. These 3 can come at any of these 10 positions. Yes, 15th. The total number of independent equations from the Lacey's theory. From the Lacey's theory, what are the total number of? Guys, one equation is VC is equal to 2 by 5 into FR. One equation is AF square is equal to 140 VC ki power 5. One equation is F is equal to 1 by 76 and root D, and one is VC is equal to 10.8 R ki power 2 by 3 S ki power 1 by 3. So total number of independent equations are 4. Okay. BARC exam pattern, aspirant, I already told you, please see from the beginning. Okay, so guys, sometimes you are saying that I am seeing downwards, because of course I am a teacher of SOM, I am a teacher of soil mechanics, SOM, survey, hydrology, OCF. I am not a teacher of irrigation and environment and building material. That is why for those questions I have to see downward the solution. Okay. A regime channel has a discharge of 100 meter cube per second. What is the parameter? Okay, so this I also know from my BTech formula. I am remembering P is equal to 4.75 root Q. Okay, so 4.75 into root 100. What value you are getting here? What value you are getting? 47.5 meter. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everybody on the comment section. Okay, when an alluvial channel contains its enzyme, it will have a side slope. Okay, what is the side slope of this? This should be, when from here to here I am coming 1 vertical na, so 0.5 horizontal. Otherwise there can be a lot of scoring. Okay, lot of scoring can be there. So when from this point to this point I am coming 1 vertical, so I am coming 0.5 horizontal. Okay, yes, give me yes or no. For medium silt whose average gain size, the small d value is 0.16, the lacy silt factor is, tell me, let this be B, let this be C. Okay, 0.70, 0.45 and this. So it is, lacy silt factor is 1.76 under root D, and D should be in millimeter. D should be in millimeter. So please check, is it coming 0.704? Is it coming 0.704? Sonu, Dinesh, everyone. Sonu, Dinesh, everyone, guys. I'm very happy. Those students who have just joined, let me tell you guys, a very happy Children's Day and happy Bhai Dooj. Okay, and I'll be coming today again. Today again I'll be coming at 8:30 p.m. with Highway PYQ on YT only. Okay, 19th क्वेश्चन. हेटेड गाइस. फिर मैच भी है आज. किसको? इंडिया एक तरफा जीतेगा? एक बार कमेंट बॉक्स में बता दो. इंडिया एक तरफा जीतेगा या क्लोज होगा मैच? इंडिया एक तरफा जीतेगा या क्लोज होगा मैच? भानु पानी पिलाना. वाटर ले आओ. A virtual calculator will be available. Virtual calculator will be available. So guys, what is the discharge here? It is root over 2g. Okay. What is small q? That is capital Q by B. Okay. Y1 Y2 upon y1 plus y2. Otherwise you can derive this from the equations. So what you are getting? What you are getting from this? 1.3. Okay, question number 20. Let me draw here. Let me draw here. If you are not able to see here, let me draw this. This is A, this is B, let this be CD. Here it is sigma and here it is 60 Newton per mm square. Guys, let me assume this as X, this as Y and this is Z. The maximum value of sigma, so that there is no change in AB length. Guys, AB length no change means epsilon Y is 0 or epsilon X is 0. Epsilon X is 0 or epsilon Y is 0. Delete this here. Epsilon X is 0 or epsilon Y is 0. AB is in which length? This length, na? So epsilon X is 0. So epsilon X is sigma X by E minus mu sigma Y by E minus mu sigma Z, but sigma Z is not given, 0. So 60 by E minus mu sigma Y by E is equal to 0. E cancelled out. So 60 minus mu is given 0.3 into sigma Y is equal to 0. So sigma Y is 180. It should be 180, na? It should be 180. it should be 180 na. No change in the length of AB. No change in the length of AB. Guys, how much you are getting? 200. How? This is 60 na. 2 dimensional stress is the limiting value of the stress. No change in the length of AB. It should be 180. How 200? Acha, 60 by, oh, that is the difference. Sorry. Calculation mistake. 200. Yeah. Great. Okay. Now, 20th question. This has been asked in engineering services also. And guys, in the BARC, OCS and DGFS entry now, actually they don't paper out. On memory based, our students have many times have said that a question have asked from this concept. Okay, come on. नहीं finish नहीं. Actually guys, me and my 3-year-old son is alone na. Okay. So what is that? The local rate of variation of depth with, guys, what is this? The local rate of variation of depth with the longitudinal distance. What does this mean? Rate of change of depth dy with longitudinal distance dx. Rate of change of variation of depth dy with dx. This is equal to S naught minus SF upon 1 minus FR square. Okay. So S naught is what? Bed slope is 1.2. S naught is bed slope. And the frictional slope means energy line slope is 1.05 into 10 की power minus 3 upon 1 minus FR square. It is given from number 0.8 square. So which option is matching? Tell me. Which option is matching? 1.2 minus 1. This D option. No, Shrikant, it's not C. No, Shrikant, it's not C. It will be D. It will be D. Okay. Now, this one. The given figure shows a subcritical open channel of expansion of rectangular cross section with respect to the water level in fume A. Water in the BC will be. Water level in the BC will be. Now, if I make a graph of E and Y, in fact, Y here and E here for different widths, no hump, then you have seen the widths like this. Okay. Now, when the width is more, this red one. So for larger width, the graph is like this. This is for BC portion, and the width is smaller, AB. Width is smaller, it is like this. Okay. YC will also be more because YC is equal to Q square by G की power 1 by 3. So small q is more, here width is more, so YC will be more. Its YC will be more and its YC will be less. Okay. Now, from here going further ahead, there is subcritical flow. The flow is subcritical. Subcritical flow means, oh, where is that here? That has gone. Shit. Let me again make. This is a BC. Okay. This purple is this. Let me quickly make. Give me just a minute. This is E. This is Y. For greater width, graph is like this. For smaller width, it is like this. This is for AB, the purple one, and the red one is for BC. Okay, now the flow is subcritical. Subcritical means we have to see only this depth. We have to see only these depths. Okay, this one is for subcritical. The greater depths are for subcritical. The below is supercritical. Subcritical, because this is the critical values, na? So below, more critical is subcritical. Now for us, there is no hump. So for a particular energy which has larger depth, AB means purple one, energy will be this, depth will be this. For BC, the red one, the depth will be more, na? So it will rise for BC. Give me yes or no. For width changing, this is the graph. Shrikant, OCFI is taught more than 50-60 times. OCFI taught more than 50-60 times. So OCF, I am sure. I don't need any answers or any solutions for this. Okay, for hump also the same question, but in hump energy is changing, decreasing, and after a particular level it cannot go beyond this because E minimum is E critical. Then further raise in hump, the upstream depth will be changing. E1 will be going to E1 dash. In width, the graphs are same, Shrikant. In width, the graph are same like this, but as there is no height difference, this specific energy is related to height, so energy will remain same unless the choking is conditioned. So for width also the same graph will be used. Shrikant, got it? अच्छा, OCF मैराथन मेरा ग्राफ का लेक्चर है. ठीक है. Okay. Now do this 22nd question. Can you do this? Just give me a minute. Someone is there. Do this. Okay, I'm back. Guys. Come on. Do this. If the Froude number of flow in a rectangular channel at a depth of flow y0 is f0. So actual Froude number formula is this, na? F0 is equal to V by root G A by T. This is for general. Okay. For rectangular, it will be V. A is B into Y and top width is B. So it is V by root GY, and when depth is Y0, it is F0. Okay. So F0 finally for rectangular is V by root GY0. Okay. Thank you Sonu Kumar, remembering my marathon in YouTube. Okay. Now what is YC? For YC time, guys, if the Froude number of flow is rectangular channel at the depth of flow is Y0 is F0, then what is YC? Guys, YC is equal to Q square by G की power 1/3. So YC cube is equal to Q square by G. Have you done this? Have you done this? Have you done this? हाँ नितिन भाई अभी YouTube पे लाइव हो ना? हाँ नितिन भाई अभी YouTube पे लाइव हो. Okay, okay. So YC is equal to Q square by G की power 1/3. Now from here, if you do YC by Y0, what is the value of Y0 there? What is the value of Y0? F0 square, squaring that term, F0 square is equal to V square by G Y0. Okay, so from there let us take it here. Y0 is equal to V square F0 square into G, V square by F0 square into G. So Y0 is equal to velocity square is Q square by A square. So Q square by A square will be B square into Y0 square into G. Tell me into F0 also, F0 square G. This small Q by B is equal to Y0 is equal to small Q square Y0 square. So Y0 cube it will be. Y0 cube it will be. Y0 cube it will be into small Q square into G F0 square. So this is Y0 cube and this is YC cube. Y0 cube by YC cube. It is YC by Y0 they are asking. So YC by Y0 whole cube. YC by Y0. YC by Y0 whole cube. So Q square to Q square will be cancelled. G to G will be cancelled. Maar diya. Will be coming F0 square. So from here YC by Y0 is F0 की power 2/3. F0 की power 2/3. भाई बहुत मुश्किल था, solve हो गया भाई, इज्जत बच गई. Have you understood, guys? Please put a heart sign on the comment box if you understood this. Please put a heart sign on the comment box if you understood this. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone on the comment section for this beauty question. Please put a heart sign if you got it. Please put a heart sign if you got it, guys. Come on, everybody. Okay. 23. A hydraulic efficient channel section of open channel flow carries water at an optimum depth of 0.6. Chassis is 0.75. Bed slope is 1/2. What is the discharge? So discharge is equal to CA under root RS. Of course, I am not using the Manning's formula because they have not given the Manning constant. They have given the Chassis constant. Okay, and area Q is equal to, say, area is √3 into Y square. Of course, you can put the values of the conditions there, of the efficient and economical conditions you put. Area is √3 Y square. Easily you can get this. Yes or no, everybody? Okay, and R is Y by 2. R is, for rectangle also it is Y/2 into S. Now Y is given, okay, C is given and S is given. Y is given, C is given, S is given. From here you put it the value, it will be getting 1.62. You will be getting the value as 1.62. Have you got it? Yes. Come on. Okay. Guys, what is the total volume? Total volume is volume of solids plus volume of voids. Voids includes water and air. So total volume is equal to Vs. Volume of void can be written as E into Vs. So total volume is Vs into 1 plus E. So Vs is total volume into 1 plus E. Have you got it? So volume of solid remains constant. Yes or no? Everyone. Give me yes or no. Everyone, please. Okay. Now, a fill is to be constructed. Volume of solid will be constant. Okay, so volume of solid here is 1,50,000 upon 1 plus E. So 1.8. The volume of soil required to be excavated from the pit. A fill having volume of this is to be constructed at a void. The borrow pit solid, the borrow pit has a void ratio of this. So total volume upon 1 plus 1.4, it is 2.4. So total volume is 1,50,000 into 2.4 upon 1.8. So this is 4 by 3. 4, 6, 4, 24 by 3. 50, 1,50,000 into 4, 2 lakh. 2 lakh without any calculator. Without any calculator. Understood? Understood? Yes, Sonu. Good. Good, Sonu. 25th. A sand sample has a porosity this. So what is E? E is equal to N upon 1 minus N. So 0.3, 1 minus 0.3. So E is equal to 3 by 7. Specific gravity is 2.6. So SE is equal to WG. S we have to find out. This is 3 by 7. Moisture content is 4.94%. Okay. Into G is 2.6. So what is the value of S? What is the value of S? Come on. Everyone, 0.0494 into 2.6 into 7 divided by 3 is equal to 0.299. 30%. 30%. Have you, please. Have you understood? Okay. What will be the unit weight of a fully saturated soil sample having water content this and grain size this? SE is equal to WG. Fully saturated water content is 0.38 into G is 2.65. So E value from here. How much E value you are getting? 0.38 into 2.65. This is 1.007. This is 1.007. Correct? Correct? Okay. So gamma sat is equal to G plus E upon 1 plus E into gamma W. Unless mentioned, we take gamma W as 9.81. Unless mentioned, we take gamma W as 9.81 plus 1.007 divided by 2.007 to 9.8. Unless mentioned, we take it is at 9.81. So this is 17.87 coming my calculator. It is like this. Have you got it? Have it got it, guys? Everyone? Please let me know. Please tell me. Hello? Hello? Anjali? Good morning, good morning. हाँ वो अभी नितिन का कॉल आया था ना, मैंने उसको बताया मैं अभी लाइव हूँ यूट्यूब पे ना, उसके बाद मैं कॉल करता हूँ आप दोनों को. ओके, जल्दी बता दो. इसमें कुछ बताना है क्या? अच्छा हो गया. इसमें हो गया. चलो ये करो. फोड़ो 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 फोड़ो. बता दो भाई। ये देखो मैं घर में अकेला हूँ, इसको टॉफी छिलके दो। बैठो आप, मैं छिलके दे रहा हूँ, इसको टॉफी छिलके दो। अभी तो अच्छा वो टॉयलेट नहीं आ रही इसको, नहीं तो फिर 2-4 मिनट बंद करना पड़ जाएगा क्लास। चलो, फॉर अ given elastic, the elastic modulus E is this, Poisson ratio is, what is G? E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. E is equal to 210, 2G 1 plus 0.27. G is equal to 207. 207 क्या होता है? What is 7? 207, 210, 1.27 into 2 is equal to 2.54. Okay, 210 divided by 2.54, 2.54, it is 82.67, that is 83 gigapascal. Guys, let me again tell you, I will be coming tonight again, okay, and this I'll be sharing in my okay. So this is, guys, my link. This is my link where you can download the app for every class of mine. For every class of mine, guys. Whether this class, any previous class, recorded class, live class. In the description box, you will be finding a link from which you can download free of cost our app. And you will be getting the PYQs and notes. And today at 8:30 PM, I am coming again in YouTube. उसमें match चल रहा होगा, but I will be coming again in the YouTube for the PYQ. Okay. Where I have reached, okay, 28, guys, come on, चलो, thank you Mohammed, thank you Rituraj, thank you, hit it, अभी क्लास खत्म नहीं हुआ, आप बैठो यहाँ पे। Okay, now a hinge support in real beam, in if it is support not at the interior, okay, so that again it will be hinged only. If it is hinge support, again it will be changes to a hinge support in a conjugate beam, and there is a logic behind that. Why fixed change to free? Why this fixed in real beam changes to free in conjugate beam? Why? Because, guys, whatever is the slope here, that is the shear force here. What is the shear force here? There will be slope. So slope here is 0, na? So at the free end should be made, because free end the shear force is always 0. Guys, here whatever the deflection here, there should be bending moment, na? So deflection here is 0 at A point. So it should be such that the bending moment is 0. Bending moment is 0 at the free end. Like, let me explain. At B, in real beam, slope is not 0. So here also at the fixed end, shear force is not 0. Here the bending moment, here the deflection is not 0. So here also the bending moment not 0. Similarly for pin support, it is done. At pin support, in real beam, the deflection is 0, but slope is not 0. So in conjugate beam, it is changes to this only. So here, this bending moment is 0. So it is matching, deflection is 0. Here, the shear force is not 0, and shear force is theta. So theta is not 0. Understood? And guys, let me tell you guys, a very happy birthday to our dearest student, Lucky Gagandeep Dhiman, living in Mandavli, Gali number 8. Okay, very happy birthday to our dearest student who is one of the finest civil engineer in this country and also running his very good business helping lots of students. So very happy birthday to Lucky Urf Gagandeep Dhiman. Okay. Changes to a free support. No, hinge support will not be changes to free support. Now fixed will be changed to free. So better option will be D, guys. 29th, do this. 29, do this. A mile flat of width 120 mm. Okay, its width is 120 mm and thickness is 10 mm is bent into an arc of a circle. Okay, of radius 10 meter. It is bent in an arc of a circle of radius 10 meter by applying poor bending moment M. If E is this, what is the M? So guys, M by I is equal to E by R. Now you know E, now you know R, you know I, B, D cube by 12. So you can find out M. You can find out M. Have you understood? Okay, 30th. The shrinkage factor of an old map is 24 by 25. If RF of this, guys, RF of original map is 1 by 2400. Something here is 25. In shrink map that is changed to 24. What is the scale here? So here this 20, what is scale? Map distance by ground distance. So map distance is 24. Ground distance of that same line is 25 here and scale is this. So same is 25 into 2400. So here it is like this. 31. 1 centimeter is 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer means this much meters and this much centimeters. 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A option. Have you got it? 32. Least count is equal to S by N. S is the value of the smallest division and N is the number of divisions of vernier. Number of divisions of vernier which are matching with some division of main scale. 59. So N is not 59. N is the divisions of vernier. N is the division of vernier which are matching with some divisions of main scale. So divided by 16. S is the value of the smallest value of main scale. So the main plate is divided into 1080 equal divisions. So what is the value of one division? 360 degrees divided into 1080. So one division is this. S is the value of one division. So 360 is divided into 1080 divisions. So it is 360 by 1080. Okay. So this is in degrees. So the least count in seconds. In minutes it will be this, in seconds it will be like this, so it will be 20 seconds. It will be 20 seconds. 33. The rainfall hyetograph shows the variation of the rainfall intensity with time. What is rainfall hyetograph? This. Rainfall intensity versus time, like this. For T2 time, T2 time, T3 time, it is like this. The inconsistency can be checked by double mass curve. Wherever there is discontinuity in the straight line, there it is a double mass, there is the inconsistency. Okay, come on, everyone, guys, tell me a clay original this guys, you know that delta H by H is equal to delta E upon 1 plus E naught. So after the its thickness measure is 24 mm. Earlier it is 20 to 6. So 2 and earlier it is how much? 26 is equal to delta E. What is the change in void ratio? 1.22 was subject. Okay, delta E upon 1 plus E naught. 1.22. Okay. So it is 2 divided by 26 into 2.22. So this is 0.17. Delta E is 0.17. Okay. What is the final void ratio? So change in void ratio is 0.17. So 1.22 after settlement void ratio will decrease. 1.22 minus 1.17, it will be 1.05. Okay, consider the following statement. Moment area is advantageous in analyzing the cantilever beam, symmetrically loaded, simply supported beam, large beams or continuous beams. So moment area method is used in cantilever and symmetrically loaded beams, because here one of the slope is 0. Here theta is 0 and here theta is 0 at the center. If it is a beam is symmetrically loaded, कटोरी लेके आओ तब तो डालूंगा ना चाय पत्ती उसमें, like this, then it will be a like this and slope at the center is 0. Okay, now my son wants to eat chai patti. Okay, now 37. Do this homework and let me know the answers on the comment section. I'll reply each and every comment, guys. 38. For a hydraulic efficient rectangular channel, ratio of width of normal depth is, suppose this is B, suppose this is Y. What is area? Area is B into Y. What is perimeter? Wetted perimeter B plus 2Y. So perimeter is B, I can write down as A by Y plus 2Y. For economical and efficient, P should be minimum. For economical and efficient, P should be minimum. dP by dy is equal to 0. So minus A by Y square plus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, A by Y square is equal to 2. A is By by Y square is equal to 2. So B by Y is equal to 2. B by Y is equal to 2. So ratio of width to normal depth, B by Y is 2. C option. Okay, yes, Ashwara sir. Rituraj, welcome dear students. Have you got it? Okay. What is the value of the resultant retardation when a longitudinal friction is allowed for a stopping vehicle? Guys, see, when vehicle is stopping, so frictional force is mu mg. So frictional force is mass into acceleration. So A is equal to mu g. For retardation it is minus. So it is 0.4 into 9.81. This is 3.924. That is 3.93. 40. It is 6% gradient. So of course in curves, gradient should be decreased. How much it is decreased? Minimum of 30 plus R by R and 75 by R. And any case by reduction it should not be further reduced. If it is reduced to 4%, further it should not be reduced. So 30 plus R by R, 105 divided by 75. This is 1.4 and this is 1. So minimum is 1. So it is reduced by 1%. So instead of 6% slope everywhere, it is 6%. But whenever curve will be coming, it will be 5%. Reduction by 1%. Okay, so slope will be of 6% only. But whenever the curve will be there, it should be 5% to compensate for the tractive forces. 41. Total logical, total aptitude, guys. Total aptitude. Total aptitude. Guys, the maximum super elevation should be 1 in 15. So this is the road. This should be raised. Such that 1 in 15. Okay. So 1 in 15, 1. So for 10, but road is of 10. So for 10, it should not be 1, it should be 2 by 3. So 15 ka 2 by 3rd and 10. So for 15 we are raising 1. For 10 we are raising 2 by 3. For 15 we are raising 1. For 7.5 we are raising 0.5. Similarly for 10 we are raising 2 by 3. For every one rise, the road is like this. And suddenly you cannot raise to 1, na? Otherwise vehicle will be jumping. So if it is like this, then suddenly the turn comes, centrifugal force comes, so slowly you have to increase, further road increase. So attaining, suddenly for a plain road you cannot give super elevation, na? Okay, so for one increase in the height, you have to travel for a 120-meter road. Little bit increase in 120 meter, further increase, further increase. So you have to go 120 meter and slightly gradually increasing the elevation for height of 1 meter. For 120, after going 120 meter distance, you make a 1 meter rise. So for 2 by 3 rise, for 1 meter you have to take 120. For 2 by 3, you have to like this 80 meter. Just aptitude, guys. Pure aptitude. Pure aptitude. A closed coil helical spring, the spring is like this. How many turns? 12 complete turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12, how much load? 100 Newton. Okay. Now what is the radius? 50 mm mean diameter. So this is the wire diameter is 5 mm. The diameter of wire. And the mean diameter is 50 mm. So radius is 25 mm. Okay. So what is the deflection? Guys, strain energy is given by 32p square into r cube n into gd4. So deflection is equal to, from Castigliano, del u by del p. So 64p r cube n into gd4. Now this is p, this is d, p and d is known. This is r, okay, this is n, and this is g. Put the values, get the answer. 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 Okay. Two coils A and B of same length but number of turns same, but for the number of turns with A having just half the number of turns. So with number of turns are half, stiffness will be doubled na. Guys, K is P by delta. So K is here P by delta. So what is P by delta? GD4 upon 64 R cube n P by delta. So when n is half, all other terms are same, K will be doubled. Okay, so A stiffness is 2K, B is K. What is the ratio of deflection? So if it is stiffness is doubled, so deflection will be half. Deflection will be half. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. What is the ratio of deflection in terms of spring A? Acha, spring A to spring B. Okay, then spring A has more stiffness, na? So deflection will be half. Ashwar sir, please check. Sir, strain energy expression is obtained using expression of delta. No, delta expression is used. Delta expression is used using the equation of strain energy. Okay. The error due to bad ranging is, guys, ranging means you have to go straight. If it is bad ranging, always distance will be more, na? Or error is measured value minus true value. Always the true shortest distance will be this straight line. If it is bad ranging, either you do bad ranging like this, like this, like this, and it will be measuring bigger distance. So it will be positive and always cumulative. It is always positive for this kind. Okay, compensating means sometimes positive, sometimes negative. No, as you go further a bigger length, again the error will be more. Okay, for a well conditioned, the all angles should be 30 to 120. Okay, so angle should not be less than 30 degree. Which station is affected by local direction? Here the difference is 180, here it is not 180, here it is not 180, here it is not 180. So A and B are fine because difference is 180, others are not fine. C and D. C and D. Okay. Yes. JZ's, guys, just compare, yaar. Q is equal to CA under root RS and it is equal to 1 by eta A R to the power 2 by 3 S to the power half. So S to the power half is cancelled. So Ca r to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by eta. A is also cancelled. R to the power 2 by 3. So C is equal to 1 by eta r to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is 6 LCM. 4 minus 3 to the 6. 4 minus 3. 1 by 6. So C is equal to 1 by eta r to the power 1 by 6. Understood? Yes, 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 sir. Last question. In a subcritical flow, as the specific energy in a channel is decreased, okay, this is E, this is Y, okay, this is subcritical flow, having depth more than critical, and this is supercritical. So as specific energy is decreasing, E here, then E here, decreasing. So depth is also earlier like this, specific energy decreasing, depth decreasing, specific energy decreasing, depth decreasing. So it also decreases. It also decreases. Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. So guys, there is a scholarship test. It was done earlier. Now it is again coming, and a workshop by Richa ma'am on 16th November on Strategy to Conquer GATE 2025 in first attempt. Okay. Join this at 7:30 p.m. Strategy to Conquer GATE 2025 in the first attempt. The mega mock challenges going on, guys. From 11 to 17, from 11 number to 17, you can give environment, geotech, building material and CPM test. It is exactly like GATE pattern. Of these 4 subjects, 65 questions, 100 marks, 180 minutes. But for these 4 subjects, different bunch of subjects are at different time. Give this test from 11 November to 17 November. For these window of 6 days, anytime you can give test of these 4 subjects, and the winners will be announced on 18 who will be getting the gifts. This is my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir, guys. Okay, let me again share the link. Here I'll be sharing the PDF. Here I'll be sharing the PDF. Okay, thank you. The link has been shared of my Telegram group. Here I'll be sharing the PDF of this. And guys, today again, tonight, I'm coming with old PYQs of highway, but only those PYQs which are relevant now also. Those PYQs which are relevant now also, tonight at 8:30 p.m. guys. And of every class of mine, whether this, whether recorded, whether live, in the description box there is a link. You can click there and get our app where you will get the free notes, free quizzes, free everything. Okay, free notes, free quizzes, free some classes are also there. Okay, from this link you can download our app. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Okay, any doubt you want to ask me? Any doubt you want to ask me, guys? Come on. Yes, sure, Ratsega. It's my pleasure to take your doubts. It's my pleasure to take your doubts. Tell me. Shear force and bending moment both are internal. Please see my conceptual class of shear force and bending moment. Okay, like give you a beautiful example. Give you a beautiful example, you'll clear it. This is a bar. In this bar, this is a P force. This is external. I am applying this. This is external. So reaction will be P. This is external force. I am applying this. I am applying this. This is the external force. Now if I cut a section here, 1 and 2, in 1 this is P force, in 2 this is P force. Of course the whole body is in equilibrium. So being 1 in equilibrium, here is P force coming. So making 2 in equilibrium, here is P force coming. So now it is equilibrium. This is axial force. This is axial force. This is internal, na? This was not, no force was acting here. No force was acting here. This is obtained once we cut the section. This is obtained once we cut the section. Axial force is also internal force. Let me give you example of shear force. Okay. Yes, Rituraj sir. Now this is a P, and suppose it is exactly symmetrical beam P by 2, these are all external forces. Now if I cut a section here, name this 1, name this 2. Okay, only showing the force equilibrium. Only showing force equilibrium. No movement. This is P by 2. This is P. This is P by 2. For making force equilibrium, this is P by 2 above. Okay, for this P by 2 above. So making force equilibrium, here P by 2 downward acting. And this is shear on that area. Shear. Similarly, P downward, P by 2 upward. So here P by 2 is acting upward. And this is also acting on this plane, which is shear force. Of course, again movement will be coming, na? P by 2x. So here P by 2x movement will be coming. That is bending movement. And this is shear force. So no movement and force acting here. This is obtained after cutting the section. So they are the internal forces. And representation of these forces throughout the length of beam is shear force diagram. Representing of these movements throughout the length of beam is bending moment diagram. Have you understood? Have you understood? Give me yes or no. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. See you again tonight at 8:30 p.m. Tonight at 8:30 p.m. for the highway old PIQ. No, external for part considered is not coming, na? This is a whole beam. This part cross section itself is internal. This is not a beam. This is internal. This cross section is internal for this. Okay. How that can be external? Because there is no such piece acting. There is no single unit acting like this. The total combined unit acting. So you are seeing that this is external, but there is no such unit. Na? In real life, there is no such unit. In real life, this is the unit, complete unit. Got it, Rajshekar? Thank you. Any more doubt, Rajshekar? Please ask me. I'm here to solve your doubts. I'm here to solve your doubts, guys. Don't worry. Guys, again, I'm coming tonight at 8:30 p.m. Huh? Tonight at 8:30 p.m. I'm coming. कहाँ गया? Here. Tonight at 8:30 p.m. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Take care. Take care all.